lunch with a dear colleague and also somebody who has become to us a very good friend. Have really relied on Raj not only for a lot of work-related things, but sometimes to just bounce, just casual conversation off with him. Raj is also he's not only an expertise in SAP and ESER, but also he's over the years become a very good friend to all of us. So I've asked Raj to prepare a 1-hour speech, kind of a farewell speech to Houston, but in reality, Raj has prepared a couple of words of farewell to us. So, Raj, you want to go ahead and come up here and speak?
1 hour, all right, Raj.
Wow. He's trimmed it down a little bit.
I don't think so.
I kept my own Randy. Is that the lunch receipt?
You did that in the bathroom? Is that 12?
I had to improvise a bit. It's a KT document. So we have lot of things to cover. So let me start off with Chandra. My first manager when I joined 4.5 years ago. It's been really nice working with you. Thanks for all your support, especially even after I resigned from Wipro. Thanks for all your support. So thanks for allowing me to have a smooth transition and all this. Thanks a lot, Chandra. Next one, I'm getting nervous, man. Okay. Not too many cameras. So, next one in line is Randy. What I wrote is from my first rockstar manager. So, you've been a good leader in good times and bad times. Good times like 2-2 and 2-3 go live. Bad times like when Judy made us walk all across Paris. So keep in touch, Randy. Next one in line, Brad.
Come on, third. Remember this.
No, it's just in no particular order. Okay.
Oh. Well, thanks, Raj.
Lot of things to tell you. Thanks for being a mentor. Thanks for believing in my SAP SD knowledge when even I was not sure of it. Thanks for all the support you've done for helping me work with GSAP folks. It was your idea, it was your plan, and it has helped me a lot personally, and I believe it has helped the project also a lot. Thanks for being there. That's okay. Kevin is not here. Sir. Jeff is not here. Okay. Charles. Thanks for all your support, especially in the last 1 year when you've taken over as the ESERV architect. You always have that look which makes me check all the SAP stuff twice. So I give something out and you look at me like this and say, okay, I'll go and check. So I'll miss that one. So, but I'll keep that in mind to check things before telling the architect. So Sean is not here. I want to go around the table if that's okay. Sean is not there. Sam, the most competitive guy and a really good sportsman. So I've never seen a more competitive guy. He's good at sports. And it's been very nice after coming to Task 6, working with you. You looking at my laptop all the time. It's been a really good experience. Judy, thanks for arranging this first of all.
Oh, sure.
And thanks for making me a football fan. That's the most. More than work, you after inviting me to all the Super Bowl parties, you have decided how I spend my Sunday during winter. So thanks for that. Yomi, lot of fun moments. Can't mention all of them because people are recording. So most of them have been captured in. Most of them have been captured in Kia's gift that she. Just for the record, all of them have been captured in Kia's gift that she.
Kia,
She made me.
Engelman.
She made me.
Raj,
Okay, this is going out of context.
what was happening in that office?
Kia, homie, check in the deals. I got it right? Checking the deuce? Yes. So finally checking the deuce. Still waiting for my gift.
Oh, no. Keep waiting.
Yeah. Carlos, amigo,
Amigo.
you kept in touch even when you're not in ESA. Hope you'll do the same. And just hope that Pavin will be back in US soon. Akhilesh, all the best for your baby seat plans.
Mashe.
Yeah, Mashe.
Call him with the traditional thing. Mashe.
Yeah, okay, Mashe. All the best for your baby seat plan. And you are anyways my brother as well. Yom has made me your brother, so keep me in touch. Chan,
Chai-
smartest guy in ESA.
Chaipedia.
Yeah, that's right. I would say he's the smartest guy in ESA. Do keep in touch, and I'll miss our discussion on why this can't be done in the BAPI. Suga, you've been a nice friend, nice colleague, a very decent guy. Don't trouble Amar now too much with your deploy queries. Okay? Srini, you got me bold on the cricket match. No nice words for you. And if I have any iPhone doubts, I will definitely have some queries on iPhone 4 and I'll contact you.
Thank you.
Amar, all the best. You can contact me anytime if you have any queries. And you know my response will always be, it's your problem now, man. Guru, we've had our problems, Guru, but we don't agree on all the things. But we did have a lot of fun preparing for the 10K and running the 10K together. So keep in touch, buddy. Ed. Nice working with you, but more importantly, 6-0 became 6-2 last weekend. So next time maybe 6-4. So
You let him score?
some people who are not here, but I would like to thank them: Pramod, Babra, Joel, Cindy, Debbie, Abarna, all those guys, and the touchless team. Sorry, Mark, yeah, yeah. Mark, okay. and the touchless team. That's it. BS. There is a separate list for GSAP and ESA offshore folks also. Thank you.
That's a cool.
What he was playing with.